Well, we've made it as far as Eastbourne Marina. Now it's time to push on. Get us home, baby. Shh, don't wake the neighbours. Hello everybody, today's vlog is I'm carrying on. Woo! Yeah, it's now 5 AM in the morning and I thought I'd get up and beat the tides this morning. The plan is I'm heading out of Eastbourne this morning, carry along as far as I can along the coast again. Again, no great expectations. The weather, it's going to be fair today, so some points is probably going to be lack of wind. It's gone from yesterday being force 8 winds to today probably, I don't know, 2-3 at worst. So it's 2-3 at worst. When I say worst, I mean lack of. So it should be a nice sailing day. So I'm hoping, all being well, if I can do 50-60 mile again, bonus. If I can do plus, even better. But aim to get at least around Folkestone today. So Eastbourne to Folkestone. I am actually a day behind now. In total on this trip I've probably lost about 4 or 5 days just due to bad weather. Nothing you can do about that, it's just one of them things. Keep on trucking, or keep on sailing. Now just awaiting Eastbourne tidal lock to lower me down to tidal conditions and then off we pop. Keep going guys, keep going. I'm not nervous of these things, never done them before. If you watch the white mark on the side wall, you can see it slowly dropping me down. Very low tide though. You know, you get to a point where you're sailing along the coastline, you can see the coastline disappearing, and it's like you're passing it, and then you get to a point where you say, where am I? Oh look, Dungeness. And then you keep on going, you go for a little bit longer, you keep going, you keep going, you keep going, you keep going. then think, right, where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Oh look! Dungeness. So you carry on, you keep going, you're watching the coastline, Oh wow, wow! Wow! Look at that! Look at that! Where am I? Dungeness. Which reminds me, I better pay my electric bill when I get back. Welcome to the madness. Well said, these guys are absolutely rapid in and out of Dover. Just took, just put my foot down just to get out of the way of him at that water. He's going slick. No chance of them stopping for you. Very, very busy Dover. One in, one out every, must be every 20 minutes, I reckon. Captain's log. Stardate Sunday 12th of August 2020. It's now 2 in the morning and I'm making my final push now home. Yesterday I managed about 70 mile within about, I'd say, 18 hours, which it's a mean feat really. It's some going, and I got here about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock last night, and I got my head down for a few hours. Feeling fatigued, definitely fatigued now. I'm making the final push with the tide now. The tide's in my favour, you see, that's why I'm up early. Pushing back north now, so yeah, going for it. Can't wait to get home to my bed now. It's been a tough slog. It's put me back. You wouldn't normally do this. You wouldn't be up early. It's just the fact that I've lost about 5 days travel, so I'm just pushing it now. Normally you'd get up with the daylight as you would any other normal day and just push along the coast, nice gentle sailing. But like I say, I'm doing this between work as well, so because I'm doing it between work, it's just lack of time as well, really. If I hadn't lost the 5 days, I'd do a nice chilled out journey, and yeah, I enjoyed it a little bit more. As you can probably tell, it's probably more of a retirement thing when you've got all the time in the world, or if you've got the money to do it, you can just take the time out and just do it. But it is good fun. I'm making it a lot harder than it actually should be this at the minute, just purely down to time really. But we're going to push on now. 2 in the morning, who'd have thought it? 2 in the morning. I want my bed. Check that out. They've extended Margate Road through the sea. That's the future of cars, that is. Future. Margate Road on sea. From a hill At this point in time, I now say, please don't show me mum this video, worst case scenario. I've got to approach the coastline and the wave heights are picking up to about 2 metres in height. And the trouble is I've got sandbanks to navigate round, and if I catch a wave wrong, it could smash me over the top of a sandbank and roll me over, finishing my journey in style. Let's hope this doesn't happen, guys. Keep watching. Wow, what a trip that were. Over 500 miles, and it couldn't have been any more intense. It's gone from thunderstorms, force 8 winds, sheltering in bays to, yeah, God knows, tide rips, eddies, nice weather, stunning weather at points, absolutely perfect for the weekend when I met my brother. But yeah, what a wild 2 week it's been. Travelled over 500 miles it were to go there and come back, and I'm absolutely shattered. I set off 2 AM this morning to push my last 40. The best I've done were about 70 mile in one trip. But yeah, I'd like to also say thank you to everybody. It's been an absolute blast for me. Can't explain this. I'm tired now at the minute, so it's like all emotions you can't explain. It's been like, I'd say it's my Everest. It's my second biggest trip this solo since qualifying as a day skipper. So it's been a massive learning curve. So like I said, this is my Mount Everest, should I say. And without all your support, your likes and everything, I don't think I could have gone through it. There were points where you end up thinking, what am I doing here? What the hell am I doing here? And then you carry on going, and then you think, yeah, I'm enjoying it again. And then you have your ups and downs, and it's just tiredness more than anything. And also, I'd like to say a big thank you to my brother for meeting me at Gosport as well and coming across to Cows with me. That were a big incentive for me as well to get there, because it were a slog after the storms. I struggled to get there. And also a big thank you to Mum and Dad for supporting me. And like I said, I've said in a couple of videos now probably, my mum hates me doing this. She's feared to death of it. She says, why couldn't I took up knitting? But no, it's something, it's a fire inside me. It's brought me alive again, and it's an absolute buzz. Can't thank everyone enough. Yeah, it's been interesting. Next big trip, I'd have to do the Atlantic then, I suppose. No, not in this. Someone has done it in one of these across the Atlantic, but I'm not quite ready for that just yet. Yeah, a bit of Frank Sinatra then. And now the end is near, and I face my final curtain. I did it my way. What, right, Dave? Rubbish. Get off, Boo. What do you mean, Boo? Yeah, sod you. Yeah, so how you doing, Davey? Got your sea legs back, I see. Then he's back to being a proper man again. He's got his sea legs. Cheers, Davey. It's been a blast. Yeah, enjoy the madness. You've been watching Mad Cat Sailing. Ta-ta, guys.